Aesthetically Correct. My name is Divyank Saha, an architect with a vision for a perfect lifestyle. With increase in population in India, there is a scarcity of land due to which real estate is fluctuating a lot. The best way to conserve these lands is to protect them and rebuild the older buildings. Renovation projects are a great example of how we can protect our environment, protect the land which we have, and save it for future generations. All of us have heard about sustainable development. Making a new building puts a lot of pressure on the available land which we have in our country. So the best way to protect the older buildings is by reconstructing them, repairing them, and renovating it by giving it a fresh look and by giving it a new life and soul. I'm going to show you a project after this which I renovated in 100 days, a 4,200 square feet, 4,200 square feet building in just 100 days. Watch out guys, and renovation projects are really cool. This is the picture of the building of the project during the first week, during the first month of demolition. We started by demolishing the interior walls of ground floor. This was very difficult guys because it was a 10-inch thick wall. These are some of the demolition pictures from the project, the first week of the demolition part of this project. We created a lot of mess because renovation project does require you to manage a lot of things, including labors, materials, and a lot of different tasks. We had to fill up the atrium, do a new set of plaster work after chipping the older plaster work, build a new atrium, concrete the open part from the slab, electrical work on the ground before we started laying the tiles. The picture you see over here are few of the work which was done after the tiling and the putty work was done on the first floor. The new overhead tank was built, 2 sets of tiling was done by vitrified tiles, staircase was done by marble stone, kitchen tiling took some roughly 2 to 3 days. Approximately 10 to 12 painters were working in this building simultaneously. After the project got over, this is how it was looking. Putty work was done by 5 painters at a time in each floor. And we kept a different set of painters for the exterior painting, putty work, and the rest. This was a very, very hectic project for us. The plumbers did a great task. As soon as the tiling and the putty work got over, they started installing the water, the plumbing fixtures on each toilet. Each floor has a set of 5 bathrooms, 4 attached toilets, and 1 common toilet. The plumbers did a fantastic job, guys. Fixing the WCs, fixing the hand showers, the shower cabinets, and the wash basins. The aluminium frames were brought to site, transported to site, and then fixed on each windows. Each room had 2 painters working simultaneously. During the first coat of painting, till the last coat of painting, there were simultaneously 2 painters working at the same time in each room. This you can see after the hard work of 100 days, this building actually came to fruition. And this is the after look of this building. This is managed and controlled by Oyo Life, which they probably do a great job. At the entrance, you see a lot of different frames which inspire young mind and millennials too. This is the lobby. This is the common lobby in the ground floor, and on each side of this lobby you get 3 rooms each. We're walking you through the entire project right now. This is the common kitchen for all the customers who are staying in this 17-bedded guest house. This kitchen is in the ground floor, situated right in the ground floor. As you can see, there are number plates given on each door. This is the common room or the recreation room for all the guests staying in this building, staying in this guest house. This you can call a dining room or a rec room or a TV room. This is the toilet attached to the rec room. This is a prototype of a 2-bedded guest room where we've provided with one cupboard, one steel cupboard and 2 iron beds with 4-inch mattress. The stairs are cladded with marble stone. All the windows are aluminium framed etched glass window. This is another type of bathroom. This is a common bathroom for the first floor, which is situated at the end. The doors are coated with oil paint. This is a 3-bedded guest room where you have 3 iron beds with 4-inch mattresses and 2 iron cupboards with attached mirror to it. This is the terrace. This overhead tank right over here was constructed newly by us. And this is the end of our project. For more inquiries on architecture, real estate or travel related queries, kindly contact us through our YouTube channel, which is called Aesthetically Correct. You can also contact me through divyank.saha, divyank.saha or divyank.travels in Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. See you later. See you next week.